Hi there. If you want to grow a successful business fast, it's important you watch this video. The truth is, most of you are not keeping track of the key metrics in your business on a daily basis, and it's costing you a lot. Here's why. The only way that you know if your business is performing is if you measure everything in your business. Without measurement, you just don't know what's really happening, and you're just living from your gut or making assumptions about how your business is performing. And you can't make proper decisions without measuring. You can create an advertisement as an example, and if you're measuring the number of people that advertisement converts, then you can make slight tweaks to that advertisement, say the headliner example, and you'll see by measuring whether the new advertisement converts more people. You can use one sales close, measure the conversion rates from it, then redo the sales close, hopefully improving it, test it again by measuring conversion rates, and you're going to find out what advertisement works better. Using stats allows you to make effective decisions, prove assumptions, and grow your business based on truth, not illusion. And from all my years of working with clients, I can tell you the number one reason that people don't track their metrics is because business owners, for the most part, are trying to protect themselves from the truth. And it's often an unconscious driver, meaning they're not even aware of it. Let me explain. You see, it's almost like your brain is going, oh, if I go and check those metrics, I might feel really deeply uncomfortable and have to face some emotions that I don't really want to face. So checking metrics gets put on the back burner, and you'll tend to go and do something that's more enjoyable to you. I promise you, if you're ruthless about measuring everything in your business and making decisions based on those measurements, you'll see good quality growth in your business. Till next time, goodbye.